Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily block a device using your TP-LINK Deco X50. So first, here we are at the main page. Now we need to click on everything looks good. There's a tutorial on our channel on how to set it all up, so don't worry, you guys can find it. And here I'll choose the iPhone. Now let's scroll down, and here we will have the block, and we can block iPhone from this network. So basically it will be blocked, it won't have any access to it, and here we can do that. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.